Hi, I'm Emmett. Today I'll be showing you how to make a cream cheese bagel. To make a cream cheese bagel, you'll need a bagel, cream cheese, a cutting board, optional, a knife, and parent supervision because you're using a knife. But first, we need to wash our hands because we're dealing with food. The first step of making a cream cheese bagel is to cut the bagel in half. Some bagels are already pre-sliced, which makes it a lot easier to cut it in half. As you can see, this one's pre-sliced. Remember, this is the part where you need parent supervision because you're using a knife. The next step is to toast your bagel. Toasting your bagel, in my opinion, is better. But untoasted cream cheese bagels are still really good. So you can toast your bagel if you want to. Every toaster and toaster oven are different. So remember to ask your parents for help. While your bagel is toasting, you can pet your dog. Every bagel takes time to cook, so remember to keep an eye on it. Bagels are very hot whenever they come out of the toaster oven. Make sure to use tongs or something that will keep your hands from getting burned. Toasty. The next step is to spread the cream cheese on your bagels. Make sure you have enough cream cheese for both bagels. The final step to make a cream cheese bagel is to enjoy your cream cheese bagel and eat it with whoever else but your big brother.
Bagel. Bagel.
And that is how you make a cream cheese bagel and enjoy it. Have a good day.